Hello, word lovers, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today as we delve into the fascinating world of English vocabulary. Today's word is breakdown. It's a C1 level noun, and it means failure or analysis. So, breakdown signifies a situation where something stops functioning correctly, whether it's a machine, a relationship, or even an analysis. Think of it as a process of falling apart or a detailed examination of something. In everyday language, we use breakdown in various contexts, from describing mechanical failures to emotional distress or the meticulous examination of a problem. For example, the car suffered a breakdown on the highway, or the negotiations resulted in a breakdown of communication. Now, let's explore some synonyms for breakdown. One common synonym is failure. For instance, you could say, the system failure led to significant data loss. Another synonym is collapse. The bridge collapse was a tragic event. We also have malfunction. The equipment malfunction caused a delay in production. You might also use derailment when discussing plans or processes. The project suffered a derailment due to lack of funding. Finally, consider the synonym analysis, which speaks to the second meaning of breakdown. The financial analysis revealed some troubling trends. Here are some examples of those synonyms in sentences. The engine failure left us stranded. The peace talks suffered a complete collapse. A software malfunction caused the computer to freeze. The unexpected expenses caused a major derailment of our budget. The detailed analysis of the data provided valuable insights. Now, let's consider the opposite side of the coin. Antonyms for breakdown. One antonym is success. The project was a complete success. Another antonym, particularly when thinking of a mechanical breakdown, is repair. The car is now in excellent condition after the repair. We could also use solution when referencing a problem's breakdown. The team found a solution to the crisis. When breakdown refers to analysis, a good antonym is synthesis, meaning the combination of elements. The synthesis of different ideas led to a novel approach. Finally, consider construction when thinking of the creation or repair of something. The construction of the new bridge is underway. Let's see those antonyms in sentences. Despite the initial challenges, the experiment was a great success. The mechanic performed a thorough repair on the engine. After much deliberation, they arrived at a satisfactory solution. The synthesis of existing theories created a new field of study. The rapid construction of the new facility impressed everyone. So, how can you use breakdown in everyday life? Well, imagine you're talking about a stressful day at work. You could say, I had a complete mental breakdown trying to meet all the deadlines. Or perhaps you're discussing the plot of a movie. The film features a character who experiences an emotional breakdown. If you're talking about why a negotiation failed, you might say there was a breakdown in communication between the two parties. You might also hear about a political breakdown, meaning a collapse in a political system. Let's look at some more example sentences and phrases. The breakdown of law and order led to widespread chaos. We need a detailed breakdown of the costs involved. The psychologist specialized in treating patients with nervous breakdowns. There was a breakdown in security at the airport. The company announced a complete operational breakdown due to the cyber attack. The car suffered a mechanical breakdown just outside of town. He experienced an emotional breakdown after losing his job. The peace talks reached a breakdown with no agreement in sight. The engineer provided a thorough breakdown of the system's vulnerabilities. The relationship suffered a breakdown after years of neglect. Remember, breakdown is a versatile word that can refer to a cessation of function, emotional distress, or a careful examination. We've covered synonyms like failure, collapse, malfunction, derailment and analysis, and antonyms like success, repair, solution, synthesis, and construction. I hope this episode has helped you understand the word breakdown and its various uses. Thank you for tuning in to Hello Word. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show and expand their vocabulary. Now, I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word breakdown and share it as a comment below. I'm excited to see what you come up with.